Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Mi 10 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings and here tap on the sounds and vibration. Hereby swap with your finger here to the left side hit this volume panel. You can mute your notifications but also by this way you will mute not only your notifications and also your ringtone. So I suggest you to do it by another way. You just should go here to the notifications section, and here you got the selected the xylophone. Now just tap here to more and switch your currently notification to don't set ringtone, and now we'll go back. And here, as can you see, we have now set it notification sound, and by this way you can mute your notifications and stay with the ringtones. So that's how it looks, and if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.